Are you seeking assistance from a car crash lawyer? In a moment I will give you vital information on what to do in order to proceed with your case. When this video has finished, you know what to do and how to do it. Car crashes would change your life. The crash itself is only part of what you will experience or what can become a very long process of claims. Determining faults, recovering and getting a closure that feels that justice has been made. If you have been involved in a car crash, then don't wait for too long before you seek legal advice. Having someone who is on your side in the process against, for instance, insurance companies or other stakeholders will relieve you from much of the burden. Having to take on insurance companies and the law without having the legal support that you need can be the difference between a total failure and a total success. Don't go through this alone. Medical costs in the United States can be very high, and they will hit your economy at the same time as you will be dealing with injuries. This is likely to limit your ability to return to work in your full capacity. This combination of factors can be horrendous if you are left to deal with them on your own. Common causes of car crashes include vehicle malfunctions, texting while driving, negligent drivers, speeding, reckless driving. No matter how the crash occurred, your recovery is what matters most. In order to properly heal from the incident, you will need financial compensation to cover your medical bills, lost wages, and any property damage you might have experienced. Compensation in your injury claim can also cover for your loss of enjoyment of life and your pain and suffering. This is where our car crash attorneys fight for full and fair compensation to reduce any financial burden and help your recovery and make you feel that justice has been fulfilled. Examples of tasks that the law firms in our network will do for you: start to build your case, handle all communications with the insurance companies, point you in the right direction for the medical care you need, obtain police accident reports and thoroughly investigate the case, interview witnesses, collect documentary evidence to establish who is at fault and liable for damages, negotiate a favorable settlement, and take your case to trial if a settlement is not possible. When handling a car accident lawsuit, time is key. There is a statute of limitations from the date the injury occurred. Shortly after an accident, you may be contacted by an insurance company regarding a settlement. In the event you accept an offer, you give up all your rights to sue for more money later, even if the injuries were unknown or worse than you initially thought. Do not discuss settlements with a claims adjuster until you have consulted with an experienced attorney. The amount of a settlement can vary substantially from state to state, depending on the jurisdiction in which the crash occurred, alongside the facts of the case itself. Variables like hospital bills, car repair bills, quotes from mechanics are used to determine the cost of an accident and what in most cases insurance companies will pay. Attorneys and lawyers in our network will carefully prepare and then drive your case to completion. They have been fighting for many years with cases like these, so they have solid experience in handling cases of this nature. When handling insurance companies, they know how to handle them in the proper way, as some of the insurance companies tend to try to get away with as little liability as they possibly can. If they go forward with your case, they will assign enough resources to handle your case, Some of them even offer 24/7 contact interfaces through apps and hotline phone numbers. It is important for you to understand that even though you have done your part towards an insurance company, pay the premium each month to fulfill your part of agreement, have responded to their requests for documents, etc., some companies are only focusing on their own business and not on fulfilling your rights to justice. The agreement you have with them outlines that if you had a car accident, medical emergency or damage of catastrophic nature, the insurance company should cover for your losses according to the terms in your mutual contract. If an insurance company denies or undervalues a claim, they may allege that the loss is excluded from their policy, or that the damages are less than what the insured is claiming, or falls below the policy deductible. It might even be that the insurance company's so-called independent experts or independent adjusters have decided that no covered loss occurred, or that it is excluded from the policy. When an insurance company is gathering evidence to deny a claim, they are usually very deceitful about it. They trick the policyholder into believing that they just need a little bit more time, or one more document, or one more statement in order to finalize and pay the full value of a claim. Do not wait until you have a problem to protect your rights and yourself. You have legal rights to require insurance companies to timely evaluate and pay the full value of your claim in good faith. If an insurance company has failed to fully pay you within 30 days, then you need legal advice from a lawyer or attorney. If an insurance company is making any unreasonable request, then you need to get legal assistance. If an insurance company is asking you for a sworn statement, you need legal assistance. If an insurance company is asking you for any unreasonable request, you need legal assistance. Way too many people wait to contact a lawyer because they think that they can't afford an attorney. You can absolutely afford an attorney in insurance cases when you only pay if an insurance company pays you. You might lose your claims in full if you are too late in seeking legal assistance. Most of the law firms in our network does not charge you anything for the initial consultation to explain your rights to you, so you don't risk anything to seek legal assistance. Attorneys know how to protect your rights and hold insurance companies accountable. Contact us as soon as you can. Go to the page we link to below in the description and fill in your email address, state and type of case, and then you will see the right phone number to call, so that you get to talk to the right person right away. I know that after an accident like yours, there are a lot of things to do and it's hard to keep up the pace. Therefore I suggest that you subscribe to this channel to see when we release a new video. If you also click the bell icon and set it all, then you will also get a notification. On the next page you're asked to enter your email address, your state and type of accident. With this information we will direct you to the right number to call. Good luck!